How to fix NordLayer not connecting on macOS. In this guide, you will learn how to troubleshoot connection issues on your macOS device. Usually, this particular problem can be resolved in a few easy steps. However, since all of our work or home networks are very different from each other, some of them may have specific restrictions that may block the VPN connection. Possible solutions: change the server, change the connection protocol, set custom DNS, disable IPv6, update or reinstall the application, disable potentially interfering applications, reset network settings, change the server. Double check to see if you cannot connect to various locations. For example, if you tried connecting to United States, try Germany, or any other country. You might be unable to connect to one particular server as it could be experiencing some issues. If so, please let NordLayer 24/7 customer support team know about the location you are struggling to connect to, and NordLayer team will take immediate action. Change the connection protocol. Different VPN protocols use different network ports to connect. That being said, you might have a specific port blocked on your work or home network. Make sure to test all of the available protocols in the NordLayer application, as this has a high chance of resolving the issue. 1. Open the NordLayer application and go to the Settings tab. 2. Open up the VPN protocol pane. 3. Test OpenVPN, TCP, OpenVPN, UDP, and IKF2 protocols. Set custom DNS. Setting custom DNS on any device can change the overall connection, increase the speed, resolve unstable connection issues, or help you connect to the VPN. Check out this article to set custom DNS on your macOS device. Disable IPv6. At the moment, NordLayer does not support the IPv6 protocol. However, having IPv6 enabled on your network might make it complicated to connect to our servers in some situations. That's why we always recommend disabling it for all of our customers to improve the overall connectivity experience. Check out this article to learn how to disable IPv6 on a macOS device. Update or reinstall the application. You may have an outdated NordLayer application, which could make it harder to connect. If the application is indeed the newest released version, try fully reinstalling the NordLayer application. Disable potentially interfering applications. Your antivirus program or a different VPN application is another thing that can interfere with the VPN connection and typically refuses to let it through. Make sure that your antivirus is disabled and any other VPN application that you have installed is removed. Since our application modifies your connection settings by a tiny bit, it can be considered a threat to your device by most antivirus software, therefore blocking the attempt to connect to the VPN server. Reset network settings. As a last resort, we suggest resetting your device's network settings. In order to do that on a Linux device, you can follow our separate guide. Tip: delete the following files in the system configuration folder at /library/preferences/system-configuration/network-interfaces.plist, preferences.plist, comapple.airport.preferences.plist, comapple.network.identification.plist, comapple.wifi.messagetracer.plist.